Hi, today I'm going to be walking you through how to create a contact action. First, go to New Action. Under Get Connected, you'll see the options for call, email, and SMS, or text. This is available to our free users, while Map and social media are available to our professional users. So today we're going to create an email action. So you'll select email. It's going to appear underneath any additional actions you may already have. You'll simply want to put in the email address that you want your user to email, and then you can add a title, and then you can also add a description. You can change the icon if you would like. You can change the text alignment, and you can also choose to show or hide the endpoint. For an email, I think it often makes sense to show the email. And then once your call to action is looking how you want it to, you can rearrange it by just dragging and dropping. And then hit save. Thanks for watching. Bye.